if you guys can hear me over this wind. It's really bad tonight. You see, I know this looks like a kind of a stupid thing to be doing, but I'm not going anywhere. All my body weights, I'm not over the edge much. I'm not going off. But keep me from having to lean out too far to line everything up. I'm just measuring up from the bottom of these boards and lining up my pencil marks, and it should keep it all. Yeah, it's a bastard out here. You guys wonder why there's so much time lapse and there's so much music? This is it, man. This is it all the way. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? You guys hear the wind out here right now? It's been blowing steady 20-30 miles an hour all night. So it's about 40 out right now. It was a little chilly up there on that edge, but hell, one more little piece, you know, one little piece at a time. I think Johnny Cash had a real good song about that. He did it one piece at a time. Took him 50 years, but he got himself a Cadillac, and kind of hoping we're going to do the same thing. But anyway, we're plugging along. Just plain plugging along. Can't ask for much more than that. The wind and rain we've been getting is really screwing me over right now. Plus, next week we got a bunch of snow in the forecast, so hopefully that holds off a little bit. But I'm kind of to a point where at least we can work in the snow a little bit versus the rain. If this wind calms down, we'll be able to get the roof on safely. Unfortunately, with this wind, it's so bad that there's no way to do it without somebody getting seriously hurt. When we were doing it Saturday, we probably should not have been doing it. So I kind of told the guys helping my father-in-law and brother-in-law, I said, we're not doing it in this kind of wind. It may take a little longer, but I'd rather not see them get hurt. Yeah, welcome to the North Country, folks. This is what it's like. This stuff is terrible. This is hard to work in. This stuff's real hard to work in. But we're still making progress. We're still getting a little bit done here, a little bit there. At least the building doesn't shake when it's like this. I kind of kept stopping, you know, as it's like, geez, I wonder how the building feels in wind like this up there in the second floor, because really we haven't done a ton of work on the second floor. Threw some lights up there. You know, a couple of viewers said, geez, why don't you put some lights up? And so, you know, it's probably not a bad idea. I use string lights with 100-watt LED bulbs in them, just because I'm on long extension cords here from the house. But so anyway, that's what's going on. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think I'm going to carry my ass into that coal stove inside and get warmed up before I freeze out here. So anyway, have a good night, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.